Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to create a playlist on Spotify, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a playlist on Spotify, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your library. And once you're on library, next, go and tap the plus icon on the top right corner. And then tap playlist. And after that, you can now put the name that you want for your playlist right here. And once you're finished putting the name that you want, you can now tap create to completely create your playlist. And after that, your playlist will now be created. Now you put the music that you want to add to your playlist. So to do that, just tap add to this playlist. And then just search for the song that you want to add. And once you've found the song, just tap the plus button to add it into your playlist. And after that, the song will now be put into your playlist. Now repeat the same steps if you want to add more songs. And there you go guys, the songs are now on our playlist. And so that's just how you create a Spotify playlist guys. Now that you watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.